Alright, we're going to Ivy. I'm gonna show you guys my finished process on the Mafia BMX, and yeah. This video is gonna be of me assembling the bike, so if you guys want to skip through or just watch the whole video entirely, feel free to do that. So we're going to the finished process right now, and we're gonna go and get Carlos no bike. What's the setup, Carlos? Yeah, like what's the bike?
So it's like we got a little two-piece bar over here.
Two-piece.
Two-piece.
Chrome.
I'll ride with these plastics on.
Whatsoever. You're that type of nigga, huh? You're the type of nigga that used to
What
stick on the
else?
side of their TV.
Now we just
That's
wrap
it.
this shit up?
Yeah, just some wrap.
Oh, should we
Best
go back when
part.
it comes on already?
So I just take off the bar, the brakes now, or are you gonna keep them?
Yeah, just take them off.
Alright.
Well, we should start little by little, no?
What is cool? Yeah. First, we're gonna have to take off the brakes, but it won't bother us.
Yeah, that's true.
Out keys.
All kind of size though. We're gonna have to take this one off right here at the bottom. Let me see, flip it.
Double wall.
We're gonna take this one off. These are that Isaac fucking lost the tools.
Awesome.
He lost the new tools, coño, go.
Just like he lost his speaker.
Soy seat.
Yeah, I seen that. Like, ooh, that shit looks cool. I won't feel bad when Death goes on there, though.
Yeah.
Break it.
Yeah, that's what we were gonna do, no?
You gonna break it?
What do you mean break it?
We can't take it off without this. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, fuck it, just take it off.
Let me hold it. I'm gonna turn on the compresora para que no aire.
Oh, they still just get away.
Put those things on the right.
You wanna sign up with me? That looks straight.
Or just leave it like that and then we'll fix it later on. We're gonna put the handlebar.
No, that's pretty tight. We're building the Mafia bike. Showing that logo. Right there. I got
Like, what are those?
There's some sandals, bro. Shit.
I stopped recording tomorrow, though, don't worry.
Bro.
You just take the sound off, put some beat at background. Yeah.
Alright, good.
We have to put this shit like even on.
Yeah. You going like this?
Nah, not back. It's gonna be like Isaac's RS.
It's not a real RS?
Oh, it's an SR, no? I think they put it backwards.
Is it? Bruh. I'm gonna have to fix this as well.
Your tires are gonna get dirty faster.
Mm-hmm. I thought I'm trading season.
They're the same, huh?
The rims? They're not the same, but they're double walls.
Tell me where you want it. Right there?
Yeah, I was straight.
You're gonna have to sit on it to see, like, if you want it straight or backwards.
We better go.
So then I need to just
I should hella crooked.
No, we're gonna have to move this.
Like right here and there. It's perfect though. Most season builds? What?
backwards and
Look at that. I didn't even notice that. I didn't notice that.
His bars look bigger than Isaac's though, still, huh?
Yeah.
Or bigger than the other one that you had.
Oh yeah.
So it's gonna feel better, I think.
Watch out. I guess they put like aftermarket
Is that
bars.
even?
Oh, okay.
Is that even straight?
What?
He said. Well,
Yeah,
this,
no.
we're gonna have to move this either way. We're gonna have to move the
Yeah,
stand.
this, some shit right here is still crooked, but this is part of the project, right?
Yeah.
Mr. Bauer. As long as this is clean, I fuck with
The better shit.
it. No, it's going back in that box.
Throw it all in there. Take some of the parts. Take the bars.
For real.
Throw my balls.
Throw Isaac's bars. And Isaac would just have my 4 pieces and I keep these. The little blue one.
Damn, fucking game, man.
This you gotta keep it tight the most, bro. If not, it's not gonna be so good. You wanna double check of the tight color?
You're probably gonna want to move it anyway. man.
Alright then, Brody. Be safe.
Where's it going? The Marty's?
I do got extra strength. Who telling them? I think Isaac, and I just say, no shit.
I was trying to make it fall. When is George's bike coming, bro?
I don't know, bro.
It's taking pretty long.
This one came in fast because I checked it was in Sacramento. That's 2 hours away.
Oh, bro?
Let me double check those. Just weak.
I think you don't want to move your bars on, nigga. Eventually.
I'll just loosen it.
I mean, no, you don't have to loosen it, but just write it like that, and then. But I think you might want. You might though. Remember when I had my bars hella forward?
And it's just like right here.
I kind of did like it like that though, for the reason that I could like, you know, push on that shit like this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah?
Bring it forward a little
Alright,
bit.
now we're gonna have to go from this. Just don't get my sandals. My sandals are pretty ugly. It don't matter, right?
Videographer. Co-owner. OTS.
This way. Is it? That's left, right?
Tapered by Isaac.
Tiny again.
Yeah, teach you better right and left or what?
He didn't. Sit on the go. Tell me where it's going.
Hold the tire. Hold the tire. Yeah, right there. Hold on.
That looks straight at me.
Now the tire's a little bit to the right.
No, the tire,
Yeah,
the tire ain't good. It just
Oh,
the tire ain't good. Remember, with it's not. It's
oh
not
that's
on.
right. That's right.
It's not on. It's not on right. To me, right. Let's say
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah, yeah. The tire is off, but yeah.
The
it's
tire
just
wasn't straight.
cool. It's cool. This should come with the cap.
You should. Cause that's pretty low. Dang. Doesn't it just like the other one? You can see this stem.
Somewhere like that one.
Huh?
Somewhere like that.
Some of them, but the ones that like I be seeing they ain't. But this is a good bike. What is your first trick gonna be? A wheelie? You gotta test it out, huh?
Well, then this scab's not even barely even able to get on that motorcycle.
Did she not take some?
You wanna see double check, Ella? Come on.
Did
What?
she not take some milk over
Most
there?
likely. Double check it. Have it tight.
Oh. Light
This shit looks fresh. Down. Now we need to get the pedals. And the brakes we're gonna take off. The left side.
Oh, that's the rest of this shit. I didn't see that.
What's that for?
Brakes, light combo.
You don't need the lights, right?
You can put these on your
Yeah.
spokes just so you can, you know, safety and shit.
You don't get ads on Instagram with like a light tube? Or what?
Yeah.
There's like a light that goes on your tube, inner tube. Or just turn it on with like, that shit's
On
really
your inner tube, it goes inside.
Well, like the shit that pops out where you put the air in.
Right here.
Oh,
The valve caps.
Yeah.
All you need to do is go wrong.
I thought I was saying this nigga. Oh, Isaac.
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah. That green one.
You get the little battery in there.
Where's that tool scissor you had? Stop lying.
Get my blue bag.
Oh, that just looks pretty now. Hey, that one looks tight.
That broken ass one?
Yeah.
Nigga, you had that shit. I didn't take shit out.
I think I'm gonna take this one too.
That shit's clean, huh? Ah, okay, I got it.
This,
Oh, shit.
this is starting to cut.
Yeah.
Look at this shit.
That shit's nice.
Keep it that low.
Ay, pendejo.
Should keep it that low right there. You probably jump higher.
Scissor, bring that tool, bro. The one you had.
Which tool did I have?
The one cutting these.
I didn't have none right now.
What?
Damn, you should put some ice on there.
Before
You put ice
going
on
out.
it? ice on it.
The boy thought you flew yesterday.
So what happens when you try and bunny hop?
So we're gonna need these.
Show him Ashley, bro.
Take off the brakes and
That's about it, no?
that's about it. Yeah.
How do you put the pedals on?
Yeah.
Did it say left, right?
That one. What?
Right there. Right there. Boom.
Damn, check that out.
That's just fresh. Make sure to find those bitches hella good. Those are the main.
This one's just
Yeah, woman inside of
It's a small one.
I admire the beauty of
What
it.
size is that?
So,
I'm gonna get a 16. 17?
Yep. This one was 7.
Shit looks actually pretty fucking bad. For being a wish bike.
Which is kind of right.
Good, kind
Get in there, Caesar Dodo.
That's what's up.
Take off the seat. I don't want to touch it on this. It's gonna end up getting dirty and shit.
That one tighter. You're gonna go with the other one.
You're gonna have to make sure it goes.
Kill that bitch, Javi.
Was it tick? Don't get down camera.
I saw it walking right there.
You didn't see nothing? CEO of OTS.
Make sure it goes. I don't want no fucking make it fall and shit. Make sure these
Bunch of bricks on.
I am.
Fucking good.
Yeah, see, these shits were loose, but cranks.
Oh, I'd already put that cold sticker on this shit.
Hell yeah. On the on there, on the bars. It's not the bears. On the bars. Should look badass.
Dominaria?
Taking him in Woodward to fucking get some dirty hella fast.
Yeah, hella dust.
Oh yeah.
Especially since when you're riding in back, all the dust is picked up. And is it the one that holds them together or what? Or is that one just different?
Yeah.
That, yeah. You gotta take it off faster.
Are you recording them?
Hey, let me just take it off. Just brace yourself. Wait for the heat. No.
Yeah, this shit's fresh, bro. Leave them.
Who's recording?
Doesn't have to be either one.
bike fixer? Yeah.
Not this one.
You can come with me to drop off my shirt. When? Right now. Oh, you're not. Sorry, brother Isaac. Go watch him. What the fuck you doing here?
Oh.
Sorry.
Wait, you already know what you're gonna put on it or what?
What shirt? That shirt?
Nigga, sketch it out first. Don't rush.
Yeah.
Sketch it out. Have some like something that means something to you.
I mean, you just want your name on there.
I added more. You gonna do it for free for you or what? Yeah.
You better tell us to make us some shirts. Nah, you better take like 20 shirts, bro. Yeah, we need some OTS shirts, bro. I'll pay her $5 only for all the shirts.
For what?
Oh boy.
Yes.
with this guy.
We're gonna need to add some bars.
My bad. At the same time, I don't want to watch it because then it's like kind of look and he rude towards me.
Fuck away. Go watch him, hurry up. Woody. You gotta learn from different people too. He's more experienced than me. Woody,
Let me see your seat. Go to Woodward. Oh, my bad.
If I ever want to take off the fender.
I'm not gonna.
How would I get rid of the sticky shit so I won't get no dress on this?
I'll go home.
Yeah?
Yeah, but
Watch the nigga bring my alcohols, bro.
let's just go.
Whenever I want to take it out, I just.
So it won't scratch the forks.
Oh, like you just put that bitch in there.
Yeah.
How long is it, Charlie? It took like 20 hours, huh?
Nah, I did a few different videos.
See where you can fast forward it. We should have done like an unboxing, pulling it out.
Yeah.
Come on, hey guys.
20 minutes.
Couldn't find it.
Oh, dang, you still recording?
Yeah, look though. It's that pizza with a pizza.
So why ain't you doing this shit, Caesar?
I need to find a decent shit, but I go out. Go out.
What is this?
That's just the thing. So you're right.
He's gonna be like, that's $100.
I
Took
think I
around
just crashed it.
15, 20 minutes, kind of thing.
That shit's been like 2 hours.
I'm just doing some false advertising, Caesar. All we gotta do is a seat, put some more air in the wheels, we're good to go.
Sir.
Look at that beauty.
We're out here at Ivy. What's up, Charlie? We got Charlie. We got me. We got the finished bike. We got Galo out here with the Mafia. I got Isaac with the sub. And then this nigga got everybody out here. That thing kinda hurt. My bars hit me.
Yeah?
Yeah, hella hard. It's just like, what the hell? Hey. The Mafia. Spin that shit, Galo. It's just on sight. Hey. I look like a 580s now. Alright. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see more. You guys want to see how to do tricks, how to, I don't know, anything to be honest. But this video is about assembling a bike. We assembled this Mafia bike. That's the thing that the video is going to be about. It looks black, but it's not black. It's like black with some lightning, thunder strikes on there. It's a pretty good bike. I got Galo out here. Let him know for some cuts. Let him know for some cuts. Let him know for some cuts. And let this kid right here for some cuts. It's getting there, but it takes time.